Welcome to BeVA. Today we are flying over Three Bridges Park, located in Quarry, Iowa, which is near Marshalltown, Iowa. This episode was flown on July 25th of 2022 and is the first of a 5-part series for places near or on the Iowa River in Marshall County. Three Bridges was the first county park acquired by Marshall County. We are currently flying east down the Iowa River. We are now flying west and back towards the bridge. The bridge that we are seeing is an old wagon bridge that was constructed in 1885. The two other bridges are not visible with the drone, hence the name Three Bridges Park. Right now, we are doing a 360-degree view. In the distance, we can see the Marshalltown skyline, with the most visible in the skyline being 2 Marshalltown water towers. Thank you for watching BeVA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you want to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe to the channel.